everyone, what is up? Ethereal here with another video, and today we're kicking off an exciting challenge, which is the 3-month mini braid challenge. For anyone with hair like mine who thinks it just doesn't grow, this challenge is for you. This challenge is for the ones who believe that their 4C hair can never get longer, or that 4C hair in general is difficult to manage. This challenge is also for anyone with hair like mine who just want to grow their hair with minimal weekly manageability and need a long-term protective style that will help keep their hair growing long and strong. So I challenge you to test everything that you think you may know about your hair and grow your hair together with me. And guess what? No matter where you're at during your journey, you can use this video as a back-to-base hair growth tool. You can come back to this challenge anytime if you want to grow your hair, even if it's 5 years from now. So without further ado, let's get started. What you'll need first is a spray bottle, shampoo of your desire, an applicator bottle, ponytail holders, bobby pins, your phone, and a sealing butter or a product that helps to seal your ends. If you already have products that you like that work for your hair and get the job done, skip this step, unless you would like to try a more natural method and are willing to experiment with different products at this time. The second step is to make an oil concoction or mixture that you want for your hair. If you need a basic concoction or mixture to start off with, buy yourself some Jamaican black castor oil of your own choosing, along with some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that you buy yourself at least 1 to 3 essential oils that you want. It's also okay if you only get 1 essential oil. Work with the budget that you have. I highly recommend lavender oil if you want your hair to become thicker and stronger. But it does depend on what you need for your hair because different essential oils have different functions. I'll give a bit of a broad list for you so that you can see what type of essential oils that you would like for your hair in order to make a more thorough decision. Once you have all the items that you need to make your oil, fill half your applicator bottle with castor oil and the other half with extra virgin olive oil, but leave enough at the top to put in your essential oil or oils. Using a dropper, if you have one, drop 5 drops of each essential oil into your applicator bottle. If you only have 1 essential oil, use 10 drops of the oil instead. Okay, now that all of that is done, this is where you use your phone. What we're going to be doing with our phones is taking pictures of the length of our hair before installing the mini braids. We will be taking pictures of our hair before the installation, after the installation of our new growth throughout the journey, and after the takedown of our mini braids only. The next thing that we will be doing is installing our mini braids. If you need help on how to install your mini braids, I have a mini braid tutorial on my natural type 4 mini braid hair care playlist that is located in the playlist tab of my YouTube channel. I'll link the video up here for easier access. Now, after you have installed your mini braids, you'll be able to breathe for a little bit because the hardest part is done. Now, on to the hair care regimen. We will be moisturizing with our application bottle and reapplying our oil to our hair every 3 days. We will be washing our hair every 2 weeks, but rinsing and reapplying our hair oils once a week. Look again at my natural type 4 mini braid hair care playlist to see how I wash my hair every 2 weeks. We will also be wrapping our hair at night because we gotta keep that hair uniform, and we also gotta keep our moisture in our hair. Now, following this regimen is really important. I'll be making a video each week on this 3-month journey, guiding you along the way for tips for managing your mini braids. So make sure you're looking out for those videos and don't miss a single one. Each one will be essential to your success in this challenge. Thank you all for joining me on this mini braid challenge. Until next time, this is Ethereal signing off. Bye.